Hi, hello everyone, and welcome back to lesson number 5, day of the week. So, today I'm gonna just teach you how to say the day of the week and some useful phrase relating to the topic today. Okay, so let's move to the part 1. Monday. Okay, so Monday we say thứ hai, thứ hai. Okay, Tuesday thứ ba, thứ ba. Wednesday thứ tư, thứ tư. Thursday thứ năm, thứ năm. Friday thứ sáu, thứ sáu. Saturday thứ bảy, thứ bảy. Sunday chủ nhật, chủ nhật. Okay, to help you easy to remember the way to say the day of the week, so you just need to remember the word thứ. Okay, I will copy. Just remember this way. Okay, thứ plus the number. For example, okay, for example, Monday is we call 2, so Monday is number 2, and Tuesday will be number 3, right? So if you watch the video about a number already, so you can understand the way we speak. It's just like combine the word and put it together. Okay, for example, Monday will be thứ hai. Okay, because number 2 will be hai. Thứ ba will be Tuesday, because Tuesday is mean thứ ba. It's just also 3, number 3 in Vietnamese. Okay, and thứ tư will be Wednesday. Okay, just use this structure. Okay, and thứ năm the same thing. Okay, to Friday it will be number 7. Okay, only except Sunday. Cannot say thứ 8. No, never. Just say Sunday. Chủ nhật. Okay, chủ nhật is Sunday. Okay, this is the easy way to remember all the day of the week in Vietnamese. Just use thứ plus the number. Okay, from 2 to 7. Monday will be number 2, Tuesday number 3, Wednesday number 4, Thursday number 5, Friday number 6, and Saturday number 7. Okay, and Sunday chủ nhật. Okay, remember. And now we move to the day of the week part 2. I will show you the praise and some sentence. Okay, a day, một ngày. Một is one. Okay, day is ngày. I read the word for you understanding. Okay, một ngày, a day. Mỗi ngày, every day. Mỗi ngày, every day. Ngày mai, tomorrow. Ngày mai is tomorrow. Okay, ngày mốt, the day after tomorrow. Okay, tuần sau, tuần này, this week. Okay, tuần sau, next week. Okay, try to recognize the difference between this one. Tuần này, this này means this, and sau it means next. Okay, tuần này will be this week, tuần sau will be next week. hôm qua, yesterday. Last lesson I show you, but now I repeat for you. Hôm qua, yesterday. Tuần rồi, last week. Hôm nọ, the other day. Okay, tuần rồi, last week. So this week, tuần này. Next week, tuần sau. Last week, tuần rồi. Okay, just repeat the word tuần used for the week, and này, sau, and rồi. Okay, just change the end of the word. Okay, hôm nay, today. Okay, hôm nay will be today. Hôm nay tôi đi. Okay, this one, hôm nay tôi đi. I leave today. I leave today. Hôm nay tôi đi. For example, ngày mai, I leave tomorrow. So this will be ngày mai. Okay, we change this one. We use this one. Okay, here. Okay, ngày mai tôi đi. I leave tomorrow because tomorrow is ngày mai. Okay, and we just use the same thing. For example, tuần này tôi đi. You use this week. Okay, you use this week. Okay, and also tuần này. Okay, just change the word a little bit, and you will have more sentence. You can say, this week I live, next week I live, yesterday I live, or the other day I live. Okay, whatever. And also arrive. Okay, for example, I arrived yesterday. Tôi đến hôm qua. Okay, hôm qua means yesterday. Here, okay, yesterday. For example, you say tôi đến tuần này. Or usually we in Vietnamese we speak the day first and plus the subject and the word, the verb. Okay, we rarely say tôi đến hôm qua. Instead of we say hôm qua tôi đến, or tuần này tôi đến. This week we arrived. Okay, just remember this word because it's useful for you. Một ngày, a day, every day, mỗi ngày. Ngày mai, tomorrow. The day after tomorrow, ngày mốt. Tuần này, this week. Tuần sau, next week. Hôm qua, yesterday. Tuần rồi, last week. Hôm nọ, the other day. Hôm nay, today. Okay, tuần này tôi đi. I live this week. Okay, so that's it for the lesson today. If you find something you don't understand, or you need to figure out, or you need to ask me something, you can comment below video or feedback on a fan page. Okay, so I'll see you next lesson.